Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about, does your business need to file Forms 1099 NEC or Form 1099 miscellaneous? If you use independent contractors to perform services for your business, for each one that you pay $600 or more for the year, you are required to issue the worker and the IRS a Form 1099 NEC no later than January 31st, 2022 for 2021 payments. Generally, a 1099 NEC is not required to be issued if the independent contractor or service provider is a corporation. However, payments to attorneys for legal fees of $600 or more must be reported, even if the attorney operates as a corporation. To properly complete the form, you will need the individual name and tax identification number, but it isn't usually to say hire a repairman early in the year to whom you pay less than $600 and then use the repairman service again later and have the total for the year exceed the $600 limit. If you overlooked getting the information such as the individual complete name and tax identification number needed to file the 1099 NEC for the year, you may have difficulty getting the information after the fact. Therefore, it is good practice to have individuals who are not incorporated complete and sign the IRS Form W-9 the first time you use their services. Having properly completed and signed Form W-9s for all independent contractors and service providers eliminates any oversight and protects you against IRS penalties and conflicts. IRS Form W-9 is provided by the government as a way for you to obtain the data required to file the 1099s for your contract workers and service providers. This data includes the person's name, address, type of business entity, and TIN, usually a social security number for an employer identification number, plus certifications as to the ID number and citizenship status, among others. It also provides you with verification that you complied with the law should the independent contractor provide you with incorrect information. I highly recommend that you have a potential independent contractor complete the Form W-9 prior to engaging in business with them. The form can either be printed out or filled on screen on the IRS website and then printed out. A Spanish language version is also available. The W-9 is for your use only and is not submitted to the IRS. The W-9 was last revised by the IRS in October 2018. So if you have older blank W-9s that you give to your service providers, you may want to print copies of the latest version, including the instructions, and discard the older unused forms. To avoid a penalty, the government's copy of the 1099 NEC must be sent to the IRS by January 31st, 2022, along with transmittal form 1096. They must be submitted on magnetic media or on optical scannable forms. However, a business that files more than 250 information returns, such as 1099s, W-2s, and 1095s in a calendar year, is required to file them electronically. The 250 return requirement may be lowered to 100 if proposed regulations are finalized by the IRS, but the change would not be effective until 2023. In some cases, for payments of $600 or more, you may need to file Form 1099 miscellaneous, which is used to report rents, certain prizes and awards, and income your business paid other than that includable on Form 1099 NEC or payable to employees. The 221 Form 1099 miscellaneous must be provided to the income recipient by January 31st, 2022, and to the IRS by February 28th, March 31st, if filed electronically, accompanied by transmittal Form 1096. If you or your company needs help with 1099 preparation services, feel free to contact me. My contact information is listed below in the description of the video. Thanks for watching this video, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel.